Low-grade inflammation damages the skin barrier quietly, not through obvious reactions, but through constant low-level stress. There is usually no burning or rash. Instead, the skin is repeatedly pushed to repair itself without enough time to recover. This often shows up as dryness that never fully settles, redness that lingers, or skin becoming sensitive to products it once tolerated. These changes are not random, they signal that the barrier is under ongoing inflammatory pressure. The skin barrier relies on lipids and regular cell turnover to hold water in and keep irritants out. When inflammation continues day after day, lipids are lost faster than they can be replaced. Repair becomes uneven, allowing more irritation to pass through and prolong the cycle. Many everyday habits contribute to this. Overcleansing is one of them. Using active ingredients too often is another. Stress, poor sleep, and environmental exposure also play a role. In most cases, improvement comes from reducing strain and giving the skin time to recover.